The Team Coralie Punisher 4 is a 1/10 scale 4WD brushless monster truck built for extreme off-road action. Powered by a KRATON 725 4-pole 2050 kV motor and Toro 135 ESC, it hits 50 plus mph on 2/4S LiPo packs. A CR-HV 7225 high-voltage 25 kg metal gear servo ensures precise steering, paired with the CT2S 2.4 GHz transmitter with 200 m range and power adjustment. Its rugged design features a 3 mm anodized aluminum chassis, composite braces, 3 sealed diffs, hardened steel drivetrain, and 16 mm big-bore oil shocks. Measuring 515 by 390 by 182 mm and weighing 4 kg, it comes RTR without battery or charger, priced around €460 for serious bashers. The Arrma TYPHON Mega 665 4x4 is a powerful 1/8 scale RTR buggy built for speed, durability, and upgrade potential. Equipped with a high-performance Mega 665 14-turn brushed motor featuring an aluminum heat sink and 35 mm cooling fan, it delivers an 11% boost over the previous 550 motor, ensuring explosive performance straight out of the box. Its 3S brushless-ready transmission includes a maintenance-free overload coupling, while the full-time 4-wheel drive and adjustable oil-filled coilover suspension provide superior handling across all terrains. The buggy rides on durable D-Boots 2HO multi-surface tires and is backed by Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz electronics, including a 40-amp waterproof ESC, receiver, and a rugged S661 metal gear servo. Measuring 511 by 306 by 95 mm and weighing 2.92 kg, the chassis is designed to accommodate dual 2S LiPo packs for extended power. Ready to run with only a battery and charger required, the TYPHON Mega 665 4x4 offers impressive capability and upgrade flexibility at a competitive price point of around $270. The Team Coralie KAGAMA XP Limited Edition is a premium 1/8 scale 4WD brushless monster truck, limited to just 999 units and priced at $890. Built on a 7075 gold anodized aluminum chassis with 56 mm shock towers and aluminum bulkheads, it's designed for extreme durability. Power comes from a Grizzly 945 2100 kV motor and Toro 185 ESC, running on 2/6S LiPos for blistering performance. A waterproof 32 kg servo and CT3P programmable FHSS radio deliver precise control, while its 90 mm ground clearance and rugged suspension make it both a hardcore basher and a true collector's piece. The LOSI Micro T is a 1/28 scale 2WD RTR stadium truck that packs big performance into a tiny package. Inspired by TLR race buggies, it features a durable black anodized aluminum chassis, adjustable oil-filled shocks, and a Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio with rookie mode. Powered by a 65T brushed motor and a 7.4 V 350 mAh 2S LiPo, it reaches speeds over 13 miles per hour with up to 25 minutes of run time. Complete with Proline body, tires, tools, charger, and batteries, this 158G micro truck delivers affordable racing fun for around $130. The Traxxas Ford Raptor R4x4 Ultimate is a premium 1/10 scale brushless short course truck that combines scale realism with blistering performance. Powered by a Valinian 540XL 4000 kV motor paired with the VXL4's ESC, it reaches speeds of over 60 plus mph on 4S LiPo power. Its licensed Ford Raptor R body features clipless Pro scale styling with integrated LED lighting, delivering both durability and authentic looks. Built on a rugged modular chassis, It comes equipped with anodized aluminum GTR shocks, titanium nitride-coated shafts, upgraded aluminum suspension arms, and max-duty driveshafts for race-ready toughness. The advanced electronics package includes the Traxxas TYPHON 2.4 GHz radio system with Traxxas Link telemetry, a high-torque 2275 metal gear servo rated at 347 Oz, full-time four-wheel drive with a center differential, and Traxxas stability management for superior control. Measuring 637 by 289 by 226 mm and weighing 3.0 kg, the Raptor R4x4 Ultimate offers a premium ready-to-race experience at around $650, making it a beast on any track or terrain. The Traxxas Pro Scale Sand Car is a 1/8 scale RTR machine built to replicate the thrill of full-size sand rails. Powered by a Valinian 1200XL big block brushless motor and V/L-8 SESC, it tops 55+ mph on dual 4S LiPo packs with rugged high-speed gearing. Its fiberglass tube frame chassis, polished aluminum arms, GT Max threaded shocks, and realistic 7.5-inch paddle tires deliver authentic off-road performance. Measuring 812 by 551 by 498 mm and weighing 10 kg, it features a powerful 450 Oz XL servo, hybrid disc/motor braking, and TYPHON 2.4 GHz radio with TSM and telemetry. Priced at $1,300, it's a premium sand-dominating beast. The LOSI 22S Sprint Car RTR is a 1/10 scale 2WD brushless sprint car priced at $349.99 or $399.99 with a battery and charger bundle. It comes equipped with a Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio, SR215 DSMR receiver, from a 45A Smart ESC, 3650-3300 kV brushless motor, and a waterproof metal gear servo. Built on a 2.5mm 6061 T6 aluminum chassis with threaded shocks, steel turnbuckles, dual slipper clutch, and sealed gear diff, it delivers durability and performance with speeds over 25 miles per hour. Measuring 17-inch long, 9.8 wide, 12 tall, and weighing 4.95 pounds, it features a clipless body, removable wings, Hoosier tires, and scale details for a fun, race-ready experience. The Arrma Big Rock 223 SBLX is a 1/10 scale 4WD brushless monster truck priced at $400, delivering over 50 miles per hour on 3S LiPo power with its 3100 kV motor and Spectrum 2-in-1 ESC/receiver. Built tough with a composite chassis, all-metal diffs, and durable drivetrain, it features adjustable oil-filled shocks and all-terrain tires for versatile handling. The Spectrum SLT3 radio adds throttle limiting and stability control, making it a rugged, beginner-friendly yet high-performance choice for RC enthusiasts. The Arrma KRATON 6S EXB RTR is a 1/8 scale 4WD brushless monster truck priced around $830, built for extreme speed and durability. It runs a Spectrum Firma 4074 2050 kV motor with a 150A Smart V2 ESC, pushing 65+ mph on 6S power. A 7075 T6 aluminum EXB chassis, anodized shock towers, steel skid plates, and heavy-duty driveshafts ensure rugged strength, while plush oil-filled shocks and Copperhead 2 tires deliver control. Equipped with a Spectrum SLT3 radio, SR315 receiver, and a 20 kg waterproof metal gear servo, plus clipless body and all-metal diffs, the KRATON 6S EXB is ready to bash right out of the box. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL is a 1/8 scale brushless buggy priced at $530, capable of 60 plus mph on 4S LiPo. It's powered by a Valinian 540XL motor with VXL4's ESC, built on a low-CG composite chassis reinforced with an aluminum T-bar, heavy-duty driveline, and sealed steel diffs. Dual bell crank steering with a waterproof 2275 digital servo, aluminum GTR shocks, and Response Pro S1 tires deliver precision handling. With a clipless body, high downforce wing, waterproof electronics, and T-Chi radio, the Jato 4x4 VXL combines speed, control, and durability in a race-ready package. The Team Coralie Synchro is a 1/8 scale 2WD brushless buggy priced at €340, delivering beginner-friendly performance with durable design. Powered by a Pulse G235 ESC and Curon 725 2050 kV motor, it runs on 3/4S LiPos for strong speed and control. A high-torque CRV 7225 HV metal gear servo and CT2S 2.4 GHz transmitter with adjustable power, 50 to 100%, make it easy to handle. Built on the rugged Synchro 4 platform, it includes 16mm big bore shocks, composite towers, slipper clutch, and a steel drivetrain. Measuring 515mm long, 327mm wheelbase, and weighing 3.3 kilograms, it comes RTR in bright colors for fun straight out of the box. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 BL2S is a 1/8 scale RTR brushless buggy priced at $380, built for speed and durability. It's powered by a waterproof BL2S ESC and 3300 kV brushless motor with internal fan, delivering up to 60% faster acceleration and longer run times. An extreme heavy-duty kit with chassis stiffener, reinforced shock towers, max-duty driveshafts, sealed diffs, and slipper clutch ensures toughness. The low-CG composite chassis, long GTR oil-filled shocks, and sledgehammer tires provide stable handling, while a TQ 2.4 GHz radio, waterproof 2275 servo, dual bell crank steering, and clipless body complete the setup. At 20.4 inch long and 5.2 pounds, it's a track-ready performer. The Traxxas Bigfoot 4x4 BL2S is a 1/10 scale RTR brushless monster truck priced at $380, delivering 40 plus mph performance with its 3300 kV motor and BL2S ESC, built on a modular composite chassis with 4-inch ground clearance. It features oil-filled Ultra shocks, Terra Groove 2.2 tires, and a licensed Ford F-150 Bigfoot No. 8 clipless body. Heavy-duty components include max-duty driveshafts, sealed diffs, Magnum 272 metal gear transmission, slipper clutch, waterproof 2075 servo, and a wheelie bar. Measuring 20.2 inch long and 5.98 pounds, it blends iconic styling with rugged durability right out of the box. The Arrma TYPHON 223S BLX is a 1/8 scale 4WD brushless buggy priced at $370, built for speed and durability. It comes with Spectrum electronics, including a waterproof ESC with dynamic stability control, a 3100 kV brushless motor, SLT3 transmitter, and S662 metal gear servo. Running on 2S LiPo, it reaches 35 plus mph, while 3S power pushes it past 50 miles per hour. A ventilated composite chassis, metal diffs, telescopic driveshafts, oil-filled shocks, and clipless body system ensure rugged performance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned bashers.